What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up multiple Android accounts on your PC or Mac. To use multiple Android accounts on your PC, you will need an Android emulator, and BlueStacks is a popular choice for this. It's optimized for managing multiple Android Google accounts on your PC, making it easy to switch between them. Start by clicking on the first link in the description to access the BlueStacks page. From here, download the BlueStacks 5 setup installer for your system. The download should take a second, and once it's done, follow the install wizard to set up the application on your system. After the installation is complete, BlueStacks will open up automatically. Next, open the Play Store within BlueStacks and sign in with your first Google account. If this is your first time using BlueStacks, you'll be prompted to sign in. Follow the prompts to complete the process. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all Android Google apps, like YouTube and Chrome, linked to that account. The Play Store provides a simple, easy way to complete the sign-in process. To add more Android accounts, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then select Manage your Google account under your profile name. On the Google account page, click the small arrow next to your email just under your profile picture. From there, select Add another account. You'll be prompted to enter your second Google account email, followed by your password. Click Next and go through any further verification steps if you originally set it up on your Google account. You'll soon be logged in with your second Google account on your PC. Repeat this process to add as many Google accounts as you like, all within BlueStacks on your PC. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.